Here's a tip on how to maintain your PuqPress, be more efficient and have less downtime. For those who don't know, a PuqPress is an automated tamper. It'll make you more consistent, faster, and will prevent injury. It will be a lot easier in your hands since you're not tamping all the time. This tip will revolve around cleaning and how to take the PuqPress apart to give it a full clean. We want to do this so coffee doesn't get stuck behind our puck and cause a motor failure. So here's a step-by-step on how to take it apart, and you should be doing this at least once a week. And the first step is to hit your third button here, and that is your cleaning button. So just click it until it says CL and your puck will drop. Next up, very important, we want to make sure we take this lead off. We do that because right here we have a sensor, and if you're wearing any rings or any metal, and if it detects it, it will tamp and you could possibly hurt your fingers. So I just want to be extra safe and unplug it from power. Okay, so we're going to be needing our PuqPress tool. It is just an Allen key, but the way it's made is very ergonomic and easy to operate with. If you don't have one, please talk to your rep. Step one, let's get the cover off like this. So just your fingers, pop it off. So we're going to be putting our PuqPress tool or Allen key down here for the screw. We are loosening it up and taking it out. Now, if you just try to take it out by solely going up, it won't latch onto your Allen key tool. So I suggest slightly pushing to the side and lifting up. Okay, the screw is out, and now we unscrew the puck. So we are turning towards the right. We keep unscrewing it until it will eventually pop off. Spoiler alert, this one's not going to be dirty. It is brand new, but we are going to show you what you should clean when you are into the PuqPress. Okay, so we have our puck here, and this is the bit we don't see where it screws on. And this is where a lot of the coffee grinds are going to be stuck, and this is where we want to clean. So either a brush or a dry cloth, doesn't really matter as long as it's not wet. So now we are flipping the PuqPress over, and we are going to clean the inside of here. The reason why I have this PuqPress upside down is to show you where we're cleaning, but usually we would have it the right way up to clean it. Okay, usually there would be a lot of coffee grinds stuck here. So once again, with a brush or with a dry cloth, we want to clean it out. Obviously, if you have it upside down, it is hard to get the grinds out. So I would suggest flipping it over and cleaning it as it was. Okay, so we've cleaned our PuqPress, and now I'm going to show you how to put it back together. Now this is just going to take a little bit of practice before you get comfortable doing it. So yeah, let me show you what works for me. So first off, I'm just putting the puck on my fingers to try and level it. And we push it towards the screw, or where it screws into, turning left while having pressure from underneath. It should latch on, and we just want to do it tightened up until it's finger tight. Next step, put your screw on. So we are putting our screw in. It's very important that we put our puck first and then the screw, not the other way around. So we are just slotting it in using our PuqPress tool or an Allen key. We are tightening it up, and we just, from resistance, just give it another half turn, and that should be enough. Not too hard. Okay, so we are putting the cover back on. Do be careful because these little parts are fragile. So make sure they are lined up before you pop it back on. All right, so once it's back together, the puck is still out, but as soon as I put my power back on, it will flick back up. And that is how we can avoid the motor failing on a PuqPress. Keep an eye out on Evolve North Coffee Roasters on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram for more tips.